Meaning of goer.
goer,
Goer.
goer,
Goer. The word goer can have a few different meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to someone who frequently goes or attends something. For example, a moviegoer is someone who often goes to see movies. It can also be used to describe someone who is active or motivated to act, as in a doer or achiever. In some dialects it can be used to refer to a person who is alive or well, such as, he's still a goer. In short, goer is a noun that describes someone who goes or does things frequently or actively.